Behind all of this activity is an army of microscopic machines responsible not only for the brain's actions, but for every process within the body. Humans are made up of about 70 trillion cells. Boyce Rensberger, science writer turned biologist, has investigated the wonders of the cell.
The entire human body is made out of cells or the things that cells have made, such as bone. Skin is made of cells, your heart is made of cells, the muscles that operate the body so that you can move, these things are all made of cells, including the brain itself, which sends electrical signals around from one cell to the other so that we can think. All these different kinds of cells work fundamentally the same way. When you look inside the cell, you see the same kinds of structures.
Inside a single cell are hundreds of microscopic power stations, protein factories, recycling plants, and transport highways. The nucleus is the control center. It contains DNA that tells a cell how to assemble its infrastructure. The outer wall of a cell allows it to take in raw materials to stay alive. Cells trap these materials from the outside and package them into tiny cargo bubbles called vesicles. The bubble hitches a ride on a motor no bigger than a molecule, which latches onto one of the miniature monorail tracks that form the cell's transport network. Usually the bubbles reach their destinations within seconds. Each bubble carries a code, a chemical address label that guides it to a particular location. When it reaches its target, perhaps a lysosome, one of the cell's many recycling plants, it hops off the track and empties its cargo. The job of the recycling plant is to break down the raw materials into smaller building blocks, which the cell uses to grow.
The instructions that are in the cells, starting in embryonic development, tell each cell how to change to take on a new function. Also, the cells monitor the activities going on. If there's a wound, the cells can sense that, and they will send out the message to other cells to come and repair the damage. So all of this keeps the whole body on a kind of an even keel.
It seems that cells really are the fundamental building blocks of life. What else can scientists learn about life by studying cells?
Everything we've looked at turns out to be explainable and understandable in terms of chemistry and physics. So the next question is, what about consciousness? You know, this seems like such a mysterious thing. Can it be explained through entirely natural processes? Most scientists say yes, of course it can. It's undoubtedly going to be one of the last frontiers in the study of how life works at the most fundamental level. And we may get close to it, we may never get close to it.
Could it be that our bodies are no more than the result of physics and chemistry? Even if our thoughts could be explained in terms of cells and molecules, something lies beyond the realm of science. Quite simply, how we live our lives. Our experiences and memories really make us who we are, unique inhabitants of nature's most complex machine, the human body.